Hi everyone, today we will be looking at percents. A percent is a fraction with a denominator of 100. Example, write each percent as a fraction. 16%, 16 over 100. 68%, 68 over 100. 7%, 7 over 100. 55%, 55 over 100. 16 over 100, 68 over 100, 7 over 100, and 55 over 100 are all fractions. Usually, we want to express our fractions in its simplest form. So 16 over 100, the highest common factor is 4, so we will divide by 4. 16 divided by 4, 4. And 100 divided by 4, 25. 68 and 100. The highest common factor is 4, so we divide by 4. 68 divided by 4, 17. And 100 divided by 4, 25. 7 over 100 is already in its simplest form. 55 over 100, the highest common factor is 5, so we divide by 5. 55 divided by 5, 11. And 100 divided by 5, 20. So therefore, 16% is equal to 16 over 100 is equal to 4 over 25. 68%, 68 over 100, 17 over 25. 7%, 7 over 100. 55%, 55 over 100, 11 over 20. As we stated in the beginning, a percent is a fraction, but a decimal is also a fraction. So therefore, percent, fractions, and decimals are all related. So we have our percentage. Let's rewrite our fractions. 16 over 100, 68 over 100, 7 over 100, 55 over 100. So we have our percent and we have our fractions. So now we need our decimal. 16 over 100 to a decimal. So we have our 16. We remove the fraction bar and put a decimal point. Then we divide by 100. That means we move the point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So the point is removed from here and it is now here. So that is equal to 0.16. 68 over 100. 68. Remove the fraction bar, put a point, divide by 100. That means 2 places to the left. 0.68. 7 over 100. 7. Point. 2 places. 1, 2. There's no number here, so we're going to put a 0 to hold that place. So that is 0.07. 55 over 100. 55 point, 2 places, 0.55. So we have our fractions, we have our percent, we have our fractions, and we have our decimals. 16%, 16 over 100, 0.16. 68%, 68 over 100, 0.68. 7%, 7 over 100, 0.07. 55%, 55 over 100, 0.55. I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and share this video, and subscribe for more step-by-step problem-solving video. And stay tuned, because in the next video, I will show you how to solve the 3 types of word problems associated with percent. Thanks for watching.